What's up guys? So I have the Hisense Smart TV remote over here, and in this video I will show you how to reset your Hisense TV remote if it is not working or the power button is actually not working. So if you're having any issue trying to control your Hisense Smart TV using the remote control, then you want to make sure that you reset it, just as I'm going to show you in this particular video. Now trust me, this is going to work out about 50% of the time because it is a common issue with Hisense Smart TV remote. So for you to reset the remote control, what you want to do is to go ahead and pull out the cover at the back, and then you want to go ahead and remove the batteries in the remote control like so. Now you want to go ahead and long press on the power button for about 2 to 3 minutes. Just press and hold it for about 2 to 3 minutes. What this actually does is to drain the remote control of any power that is probably stored in it and is stopping the remote control from working properly. So after long pressing for about 2 to 3 minutes, you want to go ahead and insert your batteries again like so, and then cover the battery pack. Now the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and remove your TV from the wall socket. I am using a power sword here, so I will just remove the power sword from the wall socket for about 10 to 20 minutes like so. Now once you've unplugged the TV from the wall sockets, you want to wait for about 10 to 20 minutes like I said, and after that you want to go ahead and plug back the TV to the wall socket again. Now after turning off and turning on the TV by unplugging it from the wall socket, you can now go ahead and turn on the TV, but this time try to control the TV using the remote control. Trust me, this will most likely work out well for you. By the way, if it does work out for you, please make sure you drop a comment on the comment section and let me know how it went for you. But that will be all on today's video, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.